Are you fed up with those annoying hiccups? Let's fix it right now. We've all been there, mid-conversation and hiccups strike. But don't worry. Here are some simple ways to stop them. First, try holding your breath for 10 seconds. It's like playing hide and seek with your hiccups. Next, sip cold water slowly. It can help reset your diaphragm. Or go wild and eat a spoonful of peanut butter. The sticky texture forces you to swallow differently. Lastly, try pulling on your tongue. Yes, it sounds weird, but it works. So next time hiccups crash your party, you'll know exactly what to do. Hiccup-free life, here we come.